Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Form video. In today's news, we have T-Mobile news, of course, and how they're becoming a repair company. I'm guessing, um, not really. They will offer in-store repairs, and this is something kind of new that I know some carriers used to offer a long time ago. Not everybody, but I believe U.S. Cellular a long time ago used to offer in-store repairs for their customers. But of course, not that they sell insurance and stuff like that. They don't do it. I believe Boost Mobile, some agent locations used to offer that as well. So it's kind of nice to see some of the stuff coming back. So it says T-Mobile can now fix your Apple device even if it's not a T-Mobile customer, even if you're not a T-Mobile customer. So of course, we're going to read through these news and skim through it. It says good news to all Apple users. T-Mobile is expanding their in-store repair services. The best part about this is that basically this will work with anybody that's not just a T-Mobile customer. So that is kind of smart if you think about it. Well, let's read the whole article and then I'll tell you my final thoughts. So it says, as reported by T-Mobile Report, T-Mobile will soon start offering repairs to all Apple customers in their stores with repair services. So of course looks like they're just doing it for Apple customers, no Android or anything like that. You're probably gonna still want to go to like a dedicated cell phone repair store to do Android, but it looks like they're going to be doing Apple devices, which is a big chunk of phone sales either way. So it says even if you're an AT&T or Verizon customer, you can get the repair service as long as you set up an appointment scheduled on Apple's support website. Wow. So this is basically saying that you'll have to go through Apple's support website and you can set up an appointment at a T-Mobile location to repair your Apple device. Wow, that's pretty cool. So that's actually nice that they got, an appointment set up through Apple. I was thinking first that maybe you just contact the T-Mobile and maybe through their website you're going to be able to set up an appointment, but it seems like you just go through Apple's support website and you can set up an appointment. And of course, it's going to give you a couple locations that you can set your phone. So if you don't have, anybody that can repair or is an authorized Apple repair store, I guess T-Mobile now will be your best bet. So that's, smaller towns might not have a lot of repair shops, but they might have T-Mobile, I'm guessing. It says, while the leaked documents reveal that the features started in select stores last Monday, this isn't necessarily true. The report shares that this rollout has been pushed to today. Wow. So more stores will follow this and offer repair services pretty soon. So it looks like not all T-Mobile got it just yet. It looks like some stores got it, and it's going to be rolling out to more stores pretty soon, which is pretty nice. It says some of the sources that can be taken care of in T-Mobile repair stores include front glass replacement, which is the big thing. Guys, if you think about it, it's the big thing that gets cracked the most is your front screen. So it's nice that, of course, they offer front glass replacement instead of going through Apple, where you have to ship your phone, or they have to, ship you a new phone, put a hold on your credit card, and then you ship back your old one. Camera and speaker replacement, that's a big one, guys. A lot of people break their cameras, and of course, I've worked in the cell phone industry for many years. I do tend to see speakers blow out or go out on iPhones for another reason or not. So it's nice that they will offer that. Of course, here in my town, we have a lot of cell phone repair shops. So I do have a T-Mobile near me. I might have to give them a call, if I ever break a phone, but I got insurance, so. Says, and other Apple Care covered and warranty covered repairs. Wow. So I'm guessing, will they do Apple Watches? That'd be kind of cool. Says, if the device cannot be repaired on site, the store will give the customer an option to mail in the device for repair. They can also get a replacement. I'm wondering how they can get a replacement. Maybe kind of like if you go to Best Buy, which is in my town, that's the best thing that a lot of people do. Just set up an appointment through Best Buy. But of course, a lot of people will go to the Best Buy and, appointments can be stretched out. So it's kind of nice to see that they give you this option. And like I said, you could probably, if they have the phone, they might be able to give it to you there. I'm not too sure. There's not much information on there. It says you can schedule your repair appointment in a nearby T-Mobile repair store by visiting this website. So you can click that website and it'll take you. So back to what my thoughts are on this. I think this is pretty nice. That they're, like I was saying, that's not just for T-Mobile customers. They're that would really kind of the reach would not be as large if it was just T-Mobile. Of course, T-Mobile has a lot of customers, but now if it's offered to every customer, even Verizon or AT&T, if you think about it, it's kind of smart too, because if you're in the T-Mobile store, maybe the associate can talk to you about the plans and offers that they have, and maybe they'll talk to you from switch from AT&T or Verizon to them. So that's kind of smart. That kind of helps them out and can bring more customers to them. So like I said, T-Mobile is pretty smart with that, I would say. If you're in there, you're like, man, I'm tired of Verizon, just be like, hey, if you switch over to T-Mobile, we can give you blah, 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 or X amount of this and that. So it's pretty smart. Like I said, it's really nice because by doing it through the website, through Apple, it's kind of pushing traffic towards T-Mobile stores. Like I said, that can lead to more sales and a lot more things. So that's pretty cool. So short video, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I'm going to go watch UFC. Starts in about 30 minutes, so can't wait. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Some new unboxings and a lot more things. If you want to support the channel, you can by checking out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that finds you the best coupons on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic. That will be in the description below. And it looks like my Walmart order just got here. Sweet. So thank you, guys. Take care.